In this lesson, you will draw attention to the parts of an engine with solid fill, background fill, and a smooth gradient. Type H and press the spacebar to execute the hatch command. Choose Solid from the Pattern panel and zoom in to the center here. Click this inner circle. I'd also like to create a hatch pattern out here, but if I click here, watch what happens. The inner boundary disappears. So we have to create these separately as two individual hatch objects. I'll close the hatch creation and then do it again. Hatch, click inside here. Notice that the scale and angle properties are grayed out because they're not available. Also, the background color is not available for a solid pattern. Click Close Hatch Creation and zoom out. To make this look more like a piece of metal, which is what it is, I'd like to give it a background color. Click on it to select the hatch object, and then open the background color drop-down and choose Select Colors. Choose color 251, which is a dark gray, and click OK. Now it's hard to see the actual hatch pattern. Let's change its color also. Change the hatch color, select Colors again, and choose a lighter gray, color 254. Click OK. And then close the hatch editor. I'll zoom out and pan over here. Now I'd like to create a gradient in these areas. Open the hatch flyout menu and choose Gradient. This is just like the hatch command, except that it automatically scrolls to the beginning of these gradient patterns. Let's choose this gradient hemisphere pattern and click right here and down here. It doesn't quite work. You see, it doesn't fill this area and it doesn't fill over here, even if you click it. Now I just clicked here and it did something unexpected. So we will have to approach this in a different way. I'll close and undo. Instead, let's isolate the layers used to make the boundary. Select the red object and the green one and press Enter. Now go ahead and use the Gradient command and select those same objects. Open the Gradient menu here and choose Gradient Hemisphere. Press Enter and you'll see the result. Now let's go back and change the colors of the gradient. Notice that it says it's on a locked layer. There's a little symbol next to the cursor. That's because we're still in an isolated layers mode. Click Unisolate to go back and have all the layers be unlocked. Then select the hatch object. Go up here and choose the gradient color number 1. Choose Select Colors. Go to the True Color tab and select a fiery orange. Here I'm going to move the crosshair into this region, and I think I need to go a little more saturated by dragging it up higher. There's a good orange. Okay. And then let's cool that off with Gradient Color 2. Select Colors, True Color, and choose a blue. Maybe not quite so saturated. Okay. And close Hatch Editor. So in this lesson, you learned how to create a solid fill, how to add a background color to an existing hatch pattern, and finally how to create a gradient.